Hey there guys, welcome back. This is me, Adam Pegasus here, and here I have a packet of matchsticks. Just got it from Singapore, so this is not from India, as you can see. And I still am in Singapore. Anyway, we're gonna open this right now and see my luck. So yeah, let's get opening. I'm holding the camera in the other hand because it's gonna be tough for me. I'll try my best. Alright. Oh my god. Alright. Okay, guys. Alright. So let's see. First card. What? Alright. Hal Robson Canoe. That's a tough name to pronounce. Ashley Williams. Everton. That's weird. Victor NKB, I guess. And guys, I'm gonna flip this thing over. I think we have a man of the match. And what is this? Antolin Alcaraz, whatever. And Stoke City forward. Who could it possibly be? We'll see. Ooh, man of the match. Nice. John Walters, man of the match. It's a good card. And guys, I'm going to show you the difference between the Indian and, yeah, this is where I keep my stuff. I'm going to just show you a quick difference between the Indian matchsticks and, the UK one, or foreign one. So I'm going to take this card for comparison. Alright, so we have, no, not this one, this one. Alright. So this is the Indian one. The quality feels more rough and smooth and lighter. Much cheaper quality of the card, while this one is hard quality and not so rough over here. It's smooth, and so yeah. And the difference. This, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it is much lighter than this one. The color is much lighter. And yeah, basically, I guess that's it. The difference. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this. And I'll see you all later. Subscribe. Peace.